Hello, this is Chad. Today I'm going to show you what to do when your spray wand quits working. Now you could take it apart and you could try to find where the clog is and try to get it out. I've actually tried that and it's very difficult and it didn't end up working for me. So I thought there must be a better way. So I went on the hunt and I found this universal power sprayer. And let me show you how this thing works. It's distributed by the Fountainhead Group. Let's take this apart. So it comes with a hose that's connected to the cap that you screw in. And it also comes with a new wand. And then it also has the hose that attaches to the cap. And it also comes with 3 AA batteries. And you just pull out this little tab to get started. So let's take our chemical. The first thing we want to do is take off the cap. And we're going to slide our new cap and hose down into the chemical, and it just screws on like that. So you want to make sure that your container has a screw-on cap before you do this. It works on both Ortho and Spectracide, and you just want to make sure that it has the threaded screw-on cap. So now all we do is just stick the wand connector into the cap, and you have to just squeeze on these ends and push it in, and it just comes right out. As you can see, there's a little hole, and you just plug this in like so. Squeeze it a little bit, and make sure that it's seated in there well. And then the next thing we do is just pull out that little tab that's over the batteries and extend the wand out. And now let's go try it out. So now we just need to unlock the wand. As you can see, that shoots out a powerful stream. It's probably better than my prior one did. So now that we're finished with it, we're going to take the cap and hose out of our container. I'm gonna let anything drip in there. And then I'm going to spray everything that's in the sprayer out, and then I'm going to set it in another jug that I have that's just full of water, and you'll want to run it for about 5 seconds. So we'll stick it in here and run it for about 5 seconds just to make sure there's no more your chemical inside the sprayer. That's really what causes issues with the other spray nozzle that comes with your chemical. You want to make sure that you clean out all the chemical after you use it. You can pick this up for about $5 from Walmart. They sometimes put it on sale and you can get it under $4. Or you can buy it online. I'm sure Amazon has it and other online retailers have it as well. One thing I just wanted to point out is it does have a spot that you can connect it right onto your container, your chemical container, and it fits perfect, almost like it was meant to fit there. You can replace the batteries. It takes 3 AA batteries and you just unscrew the screws, the 2 screws at the bottom of the cap, and then you can put the batteries in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.